It's not just about muscles or masculinity. It's about your energy, your focus, your mood, your drive, your life. Low testosterone isn't just a number on a lab test. It's the silent force draining millions of men, and they don't even know it. Fatigue, brain fog, loss of motivation, irritability, depression, weight gain. We've blamed stress, age, even laziness. But what if the root cause is something deeper? Testosterone levels have dropped over 25% in the last few decades. And no, it's not just older men. Even men in their 20s are now facing hormonal collapse. Modern life is attacking your hormones. Poor sleep, junk diets, plastic exposure, chronic stress, sedentary habits. They're all killing your testosterone one habit at a time. You're exhausted, unmotivated, weak. And no amount of coffee is fixing it. Because it's not just fatigue. It's hormonal sabotage. But here's the good news. You can fight back. Lift heavy, sleep deep, eat clean, get sunlight. Ditch the chemicals. Prioritize discipline. Because your energy, your masculinity, your mind, they all depend on it. This isn't about ego. It's about survival. You owe it to yourself to take control before your hormones take control of you. Don't wait for a diagnosis. Start fighting back today.